Hey, so this morning, on a whim, I decided that I was going to paddle La Rivière de l'Ouest, or the West River, which is a river that runs, there's a section that runs between the town of Brownsburg and the town of Lachute. I think it's about 12 kilometers long. So when I get to Lachute, I'm going to have to portage from La Rivière de l'Ouest to La Rivière du Nord. And then from there, I can actually paddle to my friend Louise's house. So the plan is that I'm going to leave my house. I'm going to drive to Lachute and pick up Louise. We're going to drive to Brownsburg together, where she will drop me off. And then I will paddle and she will take my car back to her house. So I'm going to paddle to her house, pick up my car, and then come home. All right, so we got Louise. She's driving the car, which is apparently so different from her car.
So different.
And I'm gonna go scope at the rapids here in Lachute because I'm not really sure what's in store there or what the water level is like. So good. All right, I'm off. The GPS has been started and the portaging has begun, and people are walking behind me here, so hopefully they don't have anything bad to say, but here goes nothing. First thing I noticed here is that we're in a bit of a boulder garden, so I think it's going to take a little bit of lining and walking, but that's okay. I'm up for it. Just stopping here, having a quick little break to get the camera out. Probably about a half an hour in, and I don't know how far I've gone. Maybe a kilometer. Maybe probably a little more. It's been really bouldery and rocky, and it's not moving fast at all. But the river now seems to be getting a little bit deeper. It'd be nice if we got a little bit deeper. We'll scrape here. So I just pulled over here at my first major roadblock in the river. Cleared that obstacle, no problem at all. There was a passageway that I could not see, but it was really easy. So we're continuing on. Bit of a rapid here. See what this has in store for us. Woo! Fun. Coming up on another little, I wouldn't call this a rapid. Probably call this a swift. Bump on a rock there. All kinds of nice places around just to like sit by the river and have lunch or something. Like little sandy beaches and flat rocks. Pretty nice. I saw a bald eagle a couple minutes ago too, which is really cool. I didn't catch that on camera. A bridge up there on the horizon. I don't know where that's at or what it's for, but I'm gonna check my GPS now and see how we're doing. My GPS and my phone aren't working right now because I think that my phone has had a little too much sun. It's really hot and it's not working right. So I'm just gonna go up here to this bridge and I'm gonna, I think, climb out and walk up onto the road and see where I'm at, see if I recognize anything. But I think I'm really close to Lachute, and it's probably soon time to portage behind the giant tiger. All right, so we made it to Lachute. I'm up here in a park. I didn't even know this place existed. I guess there used to be like an old bridge or something that went across here, because the same thing that you see here is on the other side too. But I guess that bridge is no more. Anyway, I'm guessing this is probably about like a 500-600 meter portage. I'm gonna go through this park here, I guess carrying the canoe on my shoulders, portaging the kayak. These kayaks weren't really made to be portaged, so I'm kind of balancing it on my head. It's taking most of the weight and it's not comfortable. We made it. We made it over to La Rivière now. We finished our little urban portage there. Now we're in the water, headed toward Louise's place. Shouldn't be too much longer now. Very much in the town of Lachute here. There's the Dunani Bridge. Happy to see that. Wouldn't be a home stretch without a little bit of a headwind now, would it? And we made it back to the Dunani Bridge in Lachute. I just need to find where I'm gonna get out of the water here. And then do my last portage up to Louise's house. Made it! I'm gonna go see Louise and John.